is now integrated. If you have got a proper machine which is not having any pirated software, a Microsoft 360 which is uh, not pirated, then all those advancements are already added. So you just have to click on Ask Copilot. As soon as you click on, this is the AI handle of the which is provided to us by Microsoft. So when you click on Ask Copilot, then a section is going to appear here. And here you can write your message, or you can write you right away ask it whatever question you want to. So I'm going to use this talk feature. What is a blockchain?
Hey there, my name's Copilot, and I'm here to chat with you, just like a friend would. You can ask me questions, bounce ideas off me, or even switch to another language if you prefer.